Imagine slipping on a VR headset and suddenly feeling the urge to sneeze. Strange, right? Well, scientists discovered that virtual reality can trigger the sneezing reflex in some people. This happens because VR can fool your brain into thinking it's experiencing real world stimuli, like bright sunlight, which is a common sneeze trigger. This phenomenon is known as the photic sneeze reflex, affecting about 18-35% of the population. So, next time you dive into a virtual world, keep a tissue handy, like, comment, and subscribe for more quirky facts that tickle your brain.